Alright, let's talk about the next bug in the bWAPP or bWAPP application. So the next one is, in the previous video we talked about the HTML injection reflected with GET request. Now let's talk about HTML injection reflected with POST request. So click on that. It will, if you check this mark, it will open that in the new tab. So now we have a form just like the previous one, but here we send POST request instead of GET request. And here they are telling us that this is a GET request. So and in the next one they are telling us that this is the POST request. As you can see, it is POST request they are telling us. So in the real websites they might not provide you this, because this is just part testing. bWAPP is just part testing. So there are two ways to find out which type request is sending, GET request or POST request. So all you need is to just type or press Ctrl U. It will bring you to the next page, which is the source code of that, and you can do this using right click and then view source. As you can see, the shortcut is Ctrl U. So here you can find that form. So just copy some text from here and Ctrl F and paste that, and here as you can see the form is right here, and the request, which is GET, is right here. So they are using GET request to this URL, and the same thing goes for the POST. This is POST request, so Ctrl U. This will view the source code for this, and here as you can see it is POST request. And another way to find the request is to go to the div tools inspector. You can press F12 to find this, or you can right click and inspect the element and then click on element selector and click on this, and here they will show you that which request this form is using. So you can find this way as well. So let's try to send some POST request. So let's try first the basic, first name and last name, and it says just like the previous one, welcome debug. So let's try to send, and this is POST request, so it does not display the parameters inside the URL. So let's try to do some let's pass some HTML, and let's click on submit. It sends POST request to the current document and displays that data. So we passed first name and last name hello world with the h1 tag, so it styles that with the h1 just like the h1 tag and displays that right here. So let's now it just works like the previous one. It executes any HTML. So let's try to execute the scripts, JavaScript. So let's try this one, script with just alert and hacked by lie, and last name is just h1. So let's click on submit. Now as you can see, the JavaScript is executed and the pop-up alert is here, hacked by lie, and the world is right here. So it displays that HTML that we passed inside here. And if you want, you can check the HTML I_post.php inside the bWAPP directory.